Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to the affiliatestartupcommunity.com. This is going to be free education on becoming an affiliate. And the playlist you're about to see is basically documenting everything that I know about affiliate marketing and how to make a living with affiliate marketing in an honest, ethical way, without pyramids, without scams, without all the BS you see online. I'm going to bust some myths to do with affiliate marketing passive income. I'm going to share with you how to turn into a real business. I'm going to share with you different strategies that actually work. And all of that stuff is going to be available completely for free. So this playlist has been designed in a way for you to just follow video by video, step by step. There's going to be educational content where I'm going to be face to camera like I am right now, teaching you everything. And there's going to be also some tech tutorials that will show you how to set up different parts as well, like how to join an affiliate program, how to set up an affiliate funnel, all that stuff. If you don't know what an affiliate funnel is, how to sign up for an affiliate program, or what is affiliate marketing even, all of that stuff is going to be explained as part of this training. So I'd love for you to continue to watch this playlist, go through the videos one by one, and take action. That's about it. Thanks all for watching. Looking forward to serving you as part of the affiliatestartupcommunity.com. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.